In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add a TXT record in Hostinger step by step. Whether you're verifying your domain for Google, setting up email authentication like SPF or DKIM, or connecting a third-party service, adding a TXT record is something you'll eventually need to do. Don't worry, it's actually very simple, and by the end of this video, you'll be able to do it confidently on your own. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy web hosting and domain tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to hostinger.com. Once the website loads, click on the Login button at the top right corner. Enter your email address and password, then access your Hostinger dashboard. After logging in, you'll land inside your main control panel. From here, look at the top menu and click on Domains. This will show you a list of all the domains connected to your Hostinger account. Find the domain where you want to add the TXT record. Once you locate it, click on the Manage button next to that domain. This will open the domain management area where you can control DNS settings, name servers, and other configurations. Now that you're inside the domain management page, scroll down until you see the section labeled DNS Zone. Go ahead and click on DNS Zone. This area displays all of your current DNS records, including A records, CNAME records, MX records, and TXT records. This is where we'll be adding the new TXT record. To add a new record, click on the Add Record button. A drop-down menu will appear asking you to choose the record type. From the list of available options, select TXT. Once you select TXT, you'll see several fields that need to be filled out. Let me quickly explain what each field means so you enter the correct information. For type, make sure TXT is selected. For the name field, you'll either enter the @ sign, which is the @ symbol, if the record is for your root domain, or you'll enter the specific host name provided by the service you're connecting to. For example, some services might give you something like _Acme Challenge or a custom subdomain. Make sure you copy this exactly as provided. Next is the value field. This is where you paste the verification code or text string given to you by the third-party service. It usually looks like a long string of random letters and numbers. Be careful not to add extra spaces before or after the code. Then you'll see TTL, which stands for time to live. In most cases, you can leave this at the default value, which is typically 14,400 seconds. There's no need to change this unless the service specifically tells you to use a different TTL. Once all the fields are filled in correctly, click the Add Record button to save it. After clicking Add Record, you should immediately see your new TXT record appear in the DNS records list. That means it has been successfully added to your domain configuration. However, keep in mind that DNS changes are not always instant worldwide. This brings us to the final step, which is DNS propagation. In many cases, your TXT record will start working within 5 to 15 minutes, but depending on your internet provider and global DNS updates, it can sometimes take anywhere from 1 hour up to 24 hours to fully propagate. If you're verifying a domain, simply go back to the service you're connecting and click the Verify button after some time if it doesn't work immediately. And that's it! You've successfully added a TXT record in Hostinger. As you can see, the process is straightforward once you know where everything is located. If this video helped you, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical hosting tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.